last 5 years developed approximately 150 micro-credentials. And what we see them as is the underpinning knowledge that can provide people with information on new career opportunities, the ability to transition into other careers, the ability to enhance their careers, or or look at new pathways, for example. Or learn new skills. Our micro-credentials have been very successful in doing that, really because we've developed them in partnership with industry. So all of the micro-credentials that we've done, with the exception of one, have actually been funded by industry. So that's industry coming to TAFE Queensland looking for solutions. Now, obviously, when industry comes to TAFE Queensland looking for training solutions, which happens, fairly regularly, it's not always micro-credentials that are the answer, but increasingly it is more about micro-credentials being the answer, because they want agile, flexible and fast learning outcomes, and they want to be able to upskill their staff in areas of new technologies or different systems and processes, which are all evolving very rapidly as well. So we have project advisory committees that we actually convene, and that's made up of industry networks, peak bodies, a lot of people from different industry sectors that actually contribute to the success of the micro-credentials, but also contribute to the design, to the learning outcomes that they're wanting to achieve, and to the development of those micro-credentials as well. And I would certainly say that a key factor in the success of the micro-credentials, we're at, I think, just over 85,000 enrolments in our micro-credentials as of, I think, the start of this week when I looked initially. So it really is going very well, and it's definitely trending upwards as well. So we need to make sure that when we're doing micro-credentials, industry are very much on board, and so that when somebody turns up, like one of our students or any other person that does the micro-credentials to industry with that credential, then that's actually recognised, because industry's been involved in the development of that.